Hey, it's Paul from Carver Kings. Jacob and I are down here at New Liskeard, Temiskaming shores at the village in Noel. We're just setting up, getting ready. We're going to be carving all weekend. Tonight, Friday and Saturday for the event. We'll be carving all throughout the day. We got a whole bunch of inventory here for sale, and we'll be carving up a bunch more. I'll give you a look around. This is our setup. Got wood stove kicking out here. Oh yeah, it's kicking out some pretty good heat. It's nice and warm. Got a nice bear. We got a whole bunch of Santas for sale. A few other pieces here. But if you're in the area, come on down, check it out, check out the live carving. Pick up that last minute Christmas gift. Well, not last minute, I guess it's still November, so. But the clock's ticking. Got all kinds of stuff going on down here. People are just starting to set up, so the whole downtown core is cordoned off, and they're just going through starting to set everything up. So we'll try and do some posting a little bit later tonight, I guess, once things get going. But it's a great little fair. They're really taking care of us well, and we love doing this fair, and look forward to seeing everybody again. Anyway, if you're in the area, come on down, check it out. Say hello. Check us out online, Carver Kings, Paul and Jacob, on Facebook and on Instagram. CarverKings.com is our website, and Carver Kings Official on YouTube. We're posting all kinds of videos on there, how-tos and little tool tips, and some carving and all of our projects that we work on. Anyway, that's it. Have a good night. Hope to see you down here.